egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, egu, why not haba,
Wait, are you serious?
I cannot also believe this plugin is 100% free, but in this video, we'll test its limit and see if it is really worth having. With that being said, let's get into it. This is Vocal Menace, an all-in-one vocal plugin created by Chris Liepe. And if you've ever searched for vocal tutorials online, you've probably seen him. He's one of the most trusted vocal coaches on YouTube, with thousands of students and massive following. Vocal Menace is designed to give singers and producers clean, professional vocals without needing a complicated chain. Instead of stacking compressors, EQs, saturators, reverbs, and delays, Chris built all that into one tool, and with that you get polished vocals fast. First up is Heat feature right here. This basically is your compression and your limiting in one control, and how it works is increasing this heat makes your vocal sound tighter and more controlled. So let's check it out. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, egu, why not haba, egu, 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 haba, egu, egu, go down, egu, egu, haba, egu, why not haba, The next is the drive knob. This adds harmonic color and saturation to the vocals, and it is good for adding presence and bite to the vocals. So let's check it out. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, why not haba, Then you've got Sheen. Think of this as an instant air. It adds top-end sparkle post-compression. So let's check it out. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, why not haba, And I believe you heard it. It is best if you're on headphone to clearly hear the impact. And one interesting thing I love about this plugin is it gives you hints of what each feature is just by hovering your mouse over it. Now let's talk about the Girth. As you can see, it says this adds warmth and depth post compression. So let's hear it in action. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, why not haba, So from the demo you can see it adds thickness and low mid warmth to the sample, which is the vocal. Perfect for fuller vocal tone if that is what you are going for. Now let's talk about the cup. This particular feature introduces that lo-fi filtered, almost phone effect vibe, especially when you push it to the max. So let's hear that. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, why not haba, egu, egu, haba, egu, egu. So to the last section of this plugin, where we have the wash, the call, and the pain. The wash is the reverb, the call is the delay, and the pain is like a sidechain to the effects, which is the reverb and the delay, so that it ducks down each time the vocals sing. So let's check them out. Egu, 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 haba, egu, 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 go down, egu, 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 haba, egu, why not haba, egu, egu, haba, egu, egu, go down, egu, egu, haba, egu, why not haba, egu, haba, egu, go down, egu, egu, haba, egu, egu, oh, egu, oh, egu, oh. Why not? Haba, egu, 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 haba, egu, egu, go down, egu, haba, egu, oh, egu, oh. Why not? Haba, egu. And that is it, a plugin with a simple layout but yet powerful results. And one more thing here is, it came with two different themes. You can choose between this theme, the darker theme, and the brighter theme. And finally, here is the bypass button to engage and disable it. And over here is just to know more about the plugin. And by the way, it is resizable. So let's have a before and after comparison. Alright, normally I'm supposed to have a comparison between this plugin and my normal vocal chain, the one I use. But I thought about it and I'm like, no, it's best if you guys have a first-hand experience, so it won't be like I'm just feeding you information. So I'm advising you to use the link in the description, download this plugin, it is 100% free, try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comments, okay? So if you want me to test another free all-in-one plugin next, comment which one in the comments below. And that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, and most importantly turn on your bell notification. And if you still need some amazing free plugins that will transform your music production, make sure to watch this video on the screen right now. And I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.